2021 Logistic and Supply Chain Competition in STEAMWORK Indonesia. 42 teams have joined this event. From Republic Polytechnic, Singapore, Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia, Universitas Kristen Maranatha, Universitas Widyatama, Institut Teknologi Harapan Bangsa, Universitas Gunadarma, Institut Teknologi Telkom Purwokerto, Telkom University, Pertamina University, Sekolah Tinggi Manajemen Logistik Indonesia, Universitas Diponegoro, Universitas Islam Indonesia, Politeknik Ati Padang, Universitas Andalas, Politeknik Negeri Jakarta, Universitas Trunojoyo Madura, Universitas Dharma Persada, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Pos Indonesia, Institut Teknologi 10 November, and please welcome our MC for this event, Omega Putih Saraswati.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the opening ceremony of STEAMWORK LSC competition. As you may know, this is the first international university level logistic and supply chain competition. We, Sekolah Tinggi Manajemen Logistik Indonesia, in a wonderful collaboration with SCM Globe based in Chicago, USA, wish you had a great time in this event. Also, I must inform you that this event is attended by respected guests, Your Excellency Ibu Dr. Insinyur Paristianti Nurwardani MP from the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology, Your Excellency Ibu Diah Purbandari from the Ministry of Economy, Your Excellency Bapak Ari Anindya Hartika from the Ministry of Cooperative, Small and Medium Enterprises. Distinguished Bapak Dr. Cahyat Rohyana SEMM from the head of Yayasan Pendidikan Bakti Pos Indonesia, Distinguished Ibu Rahmawati Wangsaputra PhD from the head of Sekolah Tinggi Manajemen Logistik Indonesia, Distinguished Mr. Hugos from the CEO of SCM Globe and all representatives from SCM Globe. The honorary, the team judges, the honorary observer from each unit, the honorary representative Aperti BUMN, Universitas Pertamina, Telkom University, Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia, Institut Teknologi Telkom Surabaya, Institut Teknologi Telkom Purwokerto, Institut Teknologi PLN BRI Institute, all the respected lecturer, staff, and also high school students all over Indonesia, and beloved participant. Welcome Bapak Ibu, Akang Teteh. We are grateful that you are here with us today, and we hope you are in the greatest condition. Before we start today's competition, let's pray according to our religions and belief. Pray, please do. pray finish. Next session, let us sing Indonesian official anthem, Indonesia Raya. All participants, please stand up or you may sit as neat as possible. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have Ibu Rahmawati Wangsaputra PhD to give opening speech for the LSC competition. Ibu Rahmawati, time is yours.
POS Indonesia, Dr. Cahyat Rohyana, SAMM, representative of PT POS Indonesia, representative of Coordinating Ministry for Economic Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia, Ibu Diah Wahyu Purbandari NT, representative of Ministry of Cooperative and Small Medium Enterprises of the Republic of Indonesia, Bapak Ari Anindya Hartika, Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia, Ibu Dr. Paristianti Nurwandani MP, Secretary of General Director of Higher Education in Kemendikbud-Ristek, CEO of Supply Chain Management, Mr. Michael Hugos, Mr. Steve Koji, and Mr. Zahir Zur, STIBLOC lecturers, staff, and students, Poltek POS lecturers, and especially to all 2021 STIBLOC LSG-Com contestants from 20 universities from Indonesia and Singapore, and also high school students. First of all, thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has been giving us some mercies that we can gather in good situation. Welcome to the opening of 2021 STIBLOC LSG competition. We are so proud that STIBLOC can hold this international competition for the first time. It starts with the effort of STIBLOC to provide good quality education and at the same time make our students enthusiastic and happy while learning complex systems such supply chain management, logistic management, transportation management, especially during the pandemic time when all of us have to run online learning. We feel very grateful to meet and know SJM Globe from US, and especially we feel very grateful to meet and know SJM Globe from US, and especially SJM Globe give us an education grant to STIBLOC in the form of accessing the software for almost 400 accounts for free. We really hope this collaboration can continue for a long term. We use the software in our education for several classes, and after one semester, we come up with an idea to have STIBLOC LSG competition. We launched it in December 2020. The motivation is to share to others that learning is a fun thing to do, and we challenge students to always conquer the complexity of a system. Thanks for the support of Yayasan Pendidikan Bakti Pos Indonesia, PT Pos Indonesia, Coordinating Ministry of Economic Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia, Ministry of Cooperative and SME of the Republic of Indonesia, and Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia. Yeah, we feel very proud of the 42 team from 20 universities. We have Republic Polytech Singapore from Singapore, and then from Sumatra, we have 2 universities, University Andalas, Polytechnic Academy Teknologi Industri Padang, and then in West Java, we have University Kristen Maranatha, Stimlok, Poltek Pos Indonesia, TELU, ITHB, UPI, Universitas Widyatama, and in Jakarta, we have Universitas Pertamina, Universitas Dharma Persada, Gunadarma, Polytechnic Negeri Jakarta. And in West Java, we have, and also we have Undip, Universitas Trunajaya Madura, dan UII. And also in East Java, we have Institut Teknologi 10 November, ITTP, dan Universitas Internasional Semen Indonesia. In this event, we also invite high school students from all over province from Indonesia with the purpose of sharing and socialize the area of logistic transportation and supply chain with the hope that they get interest in our field, which is logistic transportation and supply chain, and next will join to study in Stimlok in the future. Indonesia needs lots of competent graduates in the area of logistic transportation and supply chain in order to improve our national logistics system. And Stimlok is the best place to start for reaching those competencies. This LLSJ competition will become a tradition in Stimlok, where in the future, we plan as the organizer mostly will be our student. There will be 2022 LSJ competition. Hopefully, the title will be 2022 Unipos LSJ competition, because the 2 educational institutions under YPPPI, the educational foundation, which are Stimlok and Poltek Pos, are in the process of merger to become University of Pos Indonesia, called Unipos. As an additional of university student category, we plan to also have one more category, which is for high school students. For those of you who are still in 10th grade and 11th grade right now, be ready. We really hope to meet you again as contestant in 2022 competition. For those of you who are already in 12th grade right now, after seeing this competition, join right away to Stimlok. Finally, thanks to all LSJ competition organizer consists of Stimlok lecturer and staff, led by Mr. Yodi Nurdiansa STMT, and also almost 20 2018-2019 Stimlok students who already give their best in preparing and running this competition. Please give applause to all effort they have been making. Finally, for this competition, to all contestants, have fun in this competition. Hopefully this event can inspire a lot of students, lecturers from all over universities and also industry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Ibu Rahmawati. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have Ibu Dr. Insinyur Paristianti Nurwardani MP to give opening speech for the LSC competition. Ibu Paristianti, time is yours.
Thank you very much and very good morning to everybody. Thank you very much for the invitation to Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology. First of all, I would like to hello to Excellency Michael Hugo and team from SCM Globe. And then I would like also to say hello to Ketua Yayasan PT Pos Indonesia, and then Excellency Ibu Dia from Ministry of Economy, and then Bapak Ari Anindya dari Menteri Koperasi dan UKM, Honorable Head of Academy of Logistic Management Indonesia, Honorable Vice Head of Academic of Logistic Management Indonesia, Honorable Team Leader of the 2021 LSC competition, distinguished guest and participant, and ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, and may peace and prosperity be upon you all. First, I would like to thank the Academy of Logistic Management Indonesia for the invitation. It is my honor to be able to attend and welcome you all in this international event of the 2021 STIMLog Logistic and Supply Chain Competition. Second, I would like to give appreciation for all distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen, who attend this event. It is my pleasure to witness the future generation that will compete each other in the area of the supply chain simulation and analysis. This event will make much more understand and important and the future of the supply chain in our industry in Indonesia. Dear distinguished guest participants, ladies and gentlemen, this competition is being arranged to invite all eligible students from the bachelor degree, diploma program in the area of logistics study, which include transportation, industry, management, engineering, and other related study program. Through the hard work of the competition committee, we will see all participants that will compete each other in this application of the SCM Globe software as the simulation tool for the implementation of supply chain. The SCM Globe is an important partner for the STIMLog in the teaching of learning processes. I would like also to invite the SCM Globe to collaborate with the other institution and other university to expand the SCM Globe to implement in Indonesia. This competition will also contribute in the future development of the human resources in Indonesia in the area of the supply chain management and technology. Dear distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen, the Directorate of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology will always support the development of the higher education sector in Indonesia for nurturing the future generation that will bring positive contribution for the national interest and world community. Through this implementation of emancipated learning policy we call Campus Merdeka, the Directorate General of Higher Education is already pushing forward with multiple programs to support the enhancement of the higher education sector through international student exchange program, Kedai Reka, micro credential, and so on. For the Kedai Reka platform, for example, we are trying to bridging the higher education sector with the industry and business. This platform will act as a medium for the participant to actively engage between each other to solve business and industrial problems through joint collaboration and cooperation with higher education institutions. This platform will be one of the contribution of the higher education sector in development of national economy. And then Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology support this program using around 250 billion rupiah. So something like more than 16 million US dollar. Through international student exchange program, the joint collaboration between Ministry of Education and also Ministry of Finance, we are trying also to send 1,000 Indonesian students to study for 1 or 2 semesters in higher education institution in abroad. So the goal are to experience the host country culture and undertake practical assignment to increase their skill, including change to pursue the student own interest through multidiscipline courses, gain knowledge and skill from both renew university, cultivate cross-culture skill and also awareness, build international network and the equip to further to future workplace. And I would like also to invite the SCM Globe to join with our student exchange program, and also in term of the internship program that also we support by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, in the future we will face many challenges in order to embrace the Industry 4.0 and also Society 5.0. We need to prepare ourselves with compatible skill and ability to adapt in the ever-changing environment. Several key issues in the future will be the application of big data, AI, sensor info analysis, higher added value information, and highly specialization competition for the higher education degree, as well as also the supply chain. The higher education sector need to improve, and the Directorate General of Higher Education will always try to support its development through competitive policy and also compatible policy, innovation program, and also financial commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, the implementation of emancipative learning policy will be answer to those challenges. Then, with the application of the policy direction and strategy that issues increasing higher education enrollment, strengthening the quality and relevance of higher education, strengthening the quality of lecturer and education personnel, and also the strengthening the governance of the higher education. Distinguished guests, speaker, participant, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I hope this event will bring us one step closer to the better prepare for the future development of our future generation and better contribution in higher education sector for the international economy, especially with the logistic and also supply chains. So thank you very much for kind attention and collaboration. And then I would like also to thank to Ibu Rahma that always communicate with the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology. Have the very historical competition in terms of SCM Globe collaboration. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy your competition, and then our country will be very happy to know the talent student from this very historical event. Thank you very much. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Paristianti. Okay guys, next session we will have the quiz. There will be prize for this quiz, so make sure you all pay attention and give your best answer to win the prize. Let's see on the screen. Yes, this is the link. The quiz you can access now. There are 3 questions. You have to answer that all the questions as soon as possible. And this is individual quiz. So it's only 10 minutes right now. We will announce the winner after this session ends. Yeah, you can see the link on the screen. We have 3 questions. And then you have to answer that all the questions as soon as possible because we only give you 10 minutes right now. Okay? Good luck, guys! Okay guys, thank you for your waiting. So now we will announcing semi-finalists, and we have Ibu Tati for announcing. Ibu Tati, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, still with us? Okay, how are you today? Feel nervous? Because I am. Okay. So until yesterday, we have received solution from 42 teams. We say thank you to all the teams that have submitted their solution to us. Sadly, there are some teams whose files we cannot open, but the rest, after we check, are still running for 30 days. But some have negative net profit and some have positive net profit. And some of you have interesting design supply chain. But generally, we are very pleased that all of the participants can solve the problem set using SCM Globe. Okay, without any longer, we'll announce the teams that made to the semi-final. The first team, Universitas Kristen Maranatha II. Okay, the second team, Institut Teknologi Telkom Purwokerto I. The third team, Universitas Pertamina 13. Okay, the fourth team, Universitas Pertamina 4. The fifth team, Universitas Islam Indonesia 1. Okay, the sixth team, Institut Teknologi 10 November 1. The seventh team, Universitas Diponegoro 2. Okay, the last team, Universitas Diponegoro 27. Okay, congratulations to all of the semifinalists. Prepare your teams and see you tomorrow at semifinal.
Yay! Congratulations to semi-finalists. Don't be too comfortable because you need to be prepared for the next stage. Break a leg, guys. Okay. And then, wait. Okay. To the unfortunate participant, thank you for your participation. Please don't be disappointed because we all are still the learners here and we still have room to improve. Ladies and gentlemen, we arrive at the end of this opening ceremony. I would like to remind for all the semi-finalists, please follow the latest updates and any information from the competition committee. Final words from me. Thank you very much for your attention. See you on the next stage tomorrow and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, and we have 3 winners for quiz of the day. For the first, congratulations to Idewa Putu Aditya from Undip. And the next winner is Arindianingrum Rahmaka from Undip. And last winner is Reski Rafli Fardian from Steamlock. Congratulations to all the winners of the day. Our committee will contact the winner, so congratulations. See you again. Be happy and stay healthy. Goodbye.